Hi friends, this is 5 minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take photo by touching on the screen in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. Okay, you can just touch anywhere in the frame and that will be acting as shutter button and you can take a photo. Okay, for that first go to the camera and go to the settings icon of camera here and go to shutter. Now touch option is available, just turn on it. Okay, now if you touch anywhere on the frame here, and that touch point will be acting as a shutter button. See here, it's taken photo, it's taken photo, it's taken photo. You have to touch within the frame. Okay, so in this way you can easily take photos using touch in the frame, that is anywhere in the frame in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.